Okay, so a little sneak peek of where we got approval to set up our internet for the 4th Annual Peplink Summit this year in Orlando, Florida. Right off the lobby, they've given us this rooftop where we can set up as many internet connections as we want. They've also given us permission to run fiber internet, fiber cabling from here throughout the entire venue. So we're gonna have fiber cabling going to all the training rooms, the conference rooms downstairs. We're gonna have our own Wi-Fi. We're gonna have private 5G, all powered by internet that we bring to the event here at the summit. As part of our lab series for the 2025 Peplink Summit, we're gonna have a Starlink Lab. Learn how to configure the interfaces, manage the different gRPC capabilities, monitor and manage your Starlink radios, and deploy Starlink successfully using Peplink. So join us this year at the 4th Annual Peplink Summit, experience everything Peplink has to offer, and play with some of the most amazing technologies in the world.